Hari Om students. In last class we learned about introduction to SQL, role of SQL and RDBMS and processing skills of SQL. Okay. Today we will learn about the how to creating database in SQL and also discuss about components of SQL. First one is creating a database. If we create a database, we should use the command create. Okay, the syntax of creating databases: create database, database name, end of the statement using semicolon. Okay, here create and database is a keyword. Database name is a user creation. Okay, for example, create database stud is a database name. The next command is use. Previously we create the database stud. If you use the database, we use keyword and then database name. So the example is use stud. The next concept is components of SQL. SQL is divided into 5 categories. First one is DML, that is data manipulation language. Next one is DDL, data definition language. Next one is DCL, data control language. Next one is TCL, that is transaction control language. The last one is data query language. The short form is DQL. Each SQL components consists of some SQL commands. First one is DDL consists of 4 commands, that is create, alter, drop, truncate. DML consists of 3 commands, that is insert, update, delete. Okay. The TCL consists of 3 commands, that is commit, rollback, save point. And also DCL consists of 2 commands, that is grant and revoke. The last one is DQL consists of only 1 command, that is select. First one is data definition language, which is mainly used to define the structure of a database. Structure is otherwise called as schema. And also it is used to create and modify the structure of database. The DDL perform these below functions. That is, if we create the database, we should first declare the data item, record type, which data type and which the size of the data type. These are all declared first. So you should specify the proper data type and also define the size of the data item and then define the range of values, and also it may be specify the privacy, that is security purpose. Okay, and also give some unique name for particular records. The create command is mainly used to create the table in the database. Alter command is used to change the structure of the database. Structure of the database means field name. If we change the field name or data type or size of the data item, these are all the structure of the database. Drop command is used to delete the table from the database. Database la inda or table delete பண்றதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றது drop command. Truncate command is used remove all the records from a table. Okay, here truncate command is records மட்டும் delete பண்ணும், but table அப்படியே இருக்கும் database la. Okay, so we use the space later. So truncate is used to remove all the records from a table. The next one is data manipulation. In the data manipulation language, it is one of the computer programming language which is used to adding the data or removing the data or modifying the data. And also retrieve the information from the database. It consists of 2 types. One is procedural DML, another one is non-procedural DML. Procedural DML means it requires a user to specify what data is needed and how to get it. But in non-procedural DML, which is same as procedural DML, but without display how to get it. Okay, this command supports the 3 main commands of SQL. First one is insert, which is used to insert the data into a table. Next one is update, which is update the existing records in the table. Delete is used to all records from a table. In the delete command, the space is not occupied, but in the truncate we occupy the space. This is the main difference between delete and truncate. The next one is data control language, which is mainly used to control the access of data in a database. and also it is controlling the privileges in the database. It consists of two commands. One is grant, another one is revoke. The grant command is mainly used to give the permission to one or more users to perform a particular task. Okay. Revoke command used to withdraw the permission. That is grant பண்ண permission withdraw பண்ணுறதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுறது தான் இது revoke command. The next one is transaction control language, which is mainly used to manage the transaction in the database. It consists of three commands. One is commit, another one is rollback, another one is save point. The difference between these three commands are commit command is mainly used to any transaction done in the database that should be saved in permanently. டேட்டாபேஸில் எந்த ஒரு டிரான்சாக்ஷன் ப்ராசஸ் செஞ்சிருந்தாலும் அது எல்லாத்தையும் பர்மனெண்ட்டாக சேவ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுறது கமிட் கமெண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ரோல்பேக். ரோல்பேக் இஸ் யூஸ்டு டு ரீஸ்டோர் த டேட்டாபேஸ் டு லாஸ்ட் கமிட் ஸ்டேட். தட் இஸ் லாஸ்ட்டாக என்ன நம்ம மாடிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தோமோ டேட்டாபேஸை அதை திரும்ப கொண்டு வரதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுறது ரோல்பேக் கமெண்ட், விச் இஸ் லைக் அ undo கமெண்ட். ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் சேவ் பாயிண்ட், which is used to save the transaction temporarily. Okay. The next one is the last one is data query language. Here we use only one command, that is select. This is used to display the records from the table and the records நம்ம கொடுக்குற கண்டிஷனுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நம்மளுக்கு செலக்ட் பண்ணி டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணும். These are all the main components and commands of SQL. So students, please study well in this concept. Based on this concept, in the next class we see the syntax of these commands. Okay, thank you students.